Princess channel, and then today we're playing Beware the Dog Challenge, and it's Mom versus Princess. And then I'll show you how you got to pick up card and get something good. If the dog just wake up, you lose.
Okay, are we gonna start? Here are the balls. Here are the cards. And here's the sleeping dog. Are you ready? I'm gonna win. Already?
Okay.
Let's start.
Okay.
Ah! You have to be here so that you can see.
Yellow.
How many?
Yellow.
Just one?
One. One is this.
My turn. Yeah, one yellow.
The same as mine.
Got it. Your turn.
It's easy with the tweezer.
One red.
Not the same.
I don't want to wake up the dog.
I don't want to wake up the dog.
Your turn, baby.
Same.
Oh my god.
Your turn.
Oh, one wide.
No. Listen.
No, I'm gonna use it. Give it to me. That's
Why?
cheating. The rule says you have to use the tweezer. Come on. Give it to me. Two blue. Yeah. Okay. Dog will say sorry. Say goodbye to everyone. Good night.
I'm gonna count. First count. 1, 2, 3.